Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. In the first step, we need to go to search bar, type here CMD, then right click on it and select run as administrator. Select S. Now we need to execute two commands, so type all these commands carefully and hit enter to execute them. Type in gp update and gp update and hit enter. So this command will take few seconds to complete the process. We need to wait for it, and the computer policy update has completed successfully. So we are ready to execute the next command, that will be chkdsk space c colon and hit enter. So this command will take 1 to 2 minutes to complete the process. Again, we need to wait for it. Once done, type exit, close this. Now go to search bar, type here control panel, set view by as large icons. If you selected category, then change it to large icons, then just scroll down and click on sound. Now close the background window. We need to this window, just go to recording, right click on microphone, disable it and try to enable it again. Select it, go to its properties, go to levels tab, and we need to keep this up to the 100%. Click on apply and then OK. Again, go to search bar, type your device manager, expand audio inputs and outputs, right click on the microphone, open its properties, go to drivers tab and select update driver. Now click on search automatically for drivers. Once done, close all windows one by one and simply restart your system and your problem will be solved. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. And yeah, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.